of India call for the post for the body established by the Act of Parliament to protect the interest of the investors and securities and promote the development and of the to regulate the securities market. So this online application, the payment of online is 5/2022 to January 24, 2022. Availability the call letter SEBI website is will be intimated by email or SMS. Phase 1 online examination February 2022. Phase 2 online examination March 2022. Phase paper 2 of the phase 2 is April 3. Phase 3 interviews date will be intimated. This official website is recruitment at seba.government.in. So the stream is general. So total number of vacancies 80 out of VW2. So education qualification master degree in any discipline. Okay, bachelor degree in law, bachelor degree in engineering from the recognized university CA, CFA, CFA. So master degree in any discipline you can apply. So total number of vacancies 80. Next legal, total number of vacancies 16. Bachelor degree in law from the recognized university. Information technology for 2 plus 12. So 14 vacancy. Bachelor degree in engineering, electrical, electronics and communication, information technology, computer science, or master degree in computer applications. Okay, research is 4. So total is 7. Master degree in statistics, economic, commerce, business administration, finance, econometrics. Official language is 3 vacancy. Master degree in Hindi with English as one of the subject. Bachelor degree level, master degree level in Sanskrit, English. So economic weaker sections also play the recruitment official memorandum. Okay, of Department of Personal Training, Ministry of Personal Public Grievance and Pensions, Government of India. Age limit is as on 21. Candidates not exceed the age of 30 years on December 31, 2021. So all streams the maximum mark is 100, duration 60, cutoff is 30%. General stream is 30, maximum marks is 100, duration 40, cutoff is 40. Paper 2 is 100 marks, 40 minutes, 40% of cutoff. Aggregate cutoff is 40%. Phase 2 online examinations also similar one. Okay, this weightage 1/3, 2/3, 2/3, 2/3, 40. Aggregate cutoff is 50. Okay. So examination center is Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal, Assam. Okay. So Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Delhi, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Kerala, Karnataka. Okay. Phase 2 examination is in paper 2 is Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Coimbatore, Chennai, okay, Guwahati, Jaipur, Indore, Kanpur, Kochi, Kolkata. Okay. Paper 2 phase 2 is these following centers. Application fee is non-refundable one. It is 1,000 and SST is 100. Is the syllabus for the preparations. Okay.